Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering both devices. Turn the ignition to accessory or run the engine so the radio and receiver get stable 12V. Put the Bluetooth receiver into pairing mode, usually a long press, because that broadcasts its name. On your phone, enable Bluetooth and ensure location is allowed so scanning works reliably. Once done, scan for devices and select the receiver name. You do this first to establish a secure link before configuring audio routing and hands-free settings in the system. After selecting the receiver on your phone, confirm the PIN, commonly 0000 or 1234, so both devices authenticate. This prevents accidental pairing. Now set your car stereo to the correct input. Choose AUX or USB if wired, or the FM frequency if using an FM transmitter. This ensures audio actually passes into the speakers. Make sure the phone's Bluetooth profile allows both media and phone audio, so music and calls route through the car. You finish by adjusting volumes on both the phone and car so levels match and avoid distortion. Turn off intrusive notifications during driving. Save the receiver as a trusted device so it reconnects automatically next time, because that saves repeated steps. If you run into problems, power cycle the receiver and phone or clear existing pairings before retrying. This resolves most conflicts from cached profiles. If interference persists, try a different FM frequency or move the receiver away from USB power noise to improve audio quality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.